Thank you. You ruined the fucking song for me. Thank you. Really appreciate it. And start it over again. Great song. Yeah, not a lane there, dummin'. You dumb. You dumb. Still not supposed to do that. Grandpa! It's like my favorite Martian. Exit, dive, or regret? It's an exit, I don't know. Stop, 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 stop! Stop! FedEx, stop! Stop, stupid douche. Right. You're in the red light. Oh, hello, officer. Are you going to bag somebody? Sneaking out with your headlights off? Should I follow them? Oh, the lights went on. Okay. How you doing? How you doing? Shopping closet dive. Oh, hi, I'm not here. Thank you, asshole. And you can stop too, princess. Thanks, Buttercup. Stop sign. Yeah, nice car up there. Stop. It wasn't a stop. Got it. Exit dive left. Stop.
Oh my goodness, I still can't believe it. I pinch myself. It's just a dream come true. It all started when she and her dog
Q, jumping scumbag.
He encouraged her to try writing songs for kids. Turns out she had a knack for it. I love to just see the kids.
Big truck cut off. Whoa, 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 and stop. One love feeds the fire. Oh, masshole left. Nice. Wonder who's. Uh-oh. Yep, pass fail. Snack time! Cheapest. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing, lady? Snack tray on the dashboard? What? Nom 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 nom. Eating a salad, checking her Facebook or whatever. Nom 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 nom.